Can't follow on TikTok. If you are facing this issue, first and foremost, open a TikTok application and tap on the profile icon. Tap on the hamburger icon and go to Settings and Privacy. From here, scroll down until you see the option of Free Up Space and tap on it. Then go ahead and tap on Clear to clear the cache. From here, head back and scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. So right here from all of this list, you have to go ahead and select the option of follow, likes, comment and favorites and go ahead and tap on it. Then tap on the option of unable to follow a user. Then from this article given right here, make sure that you have done all of this process, then scroll down and tap on the option of need more help. Then right here, you can go ahead and write that you are not being able to follow any of the user despite you have done every step that is mentioned in the article. Then once you do that, you can go ahead and tap on the submit bubble right there and also insert some of the photo or video of a screenshot with a problem. After a couple of days, the TikTok team will get back to you with a solution. So make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.